Good, bright and beautiful Thursday, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith on this gorgeous Thursday. There's some interior fog across the Susquehanna River Valley area in southeastern Pennsylvania this morning, which will be burning off, but we've already got some warm temperatures on the way for this afternoon over the interior. Let's dive into the forecast discussion for this Thursday, the 12th of May, 2016. Visible path of the satellite imagery this morning shows mostly clear skies across all of the forecast region except southeastern Pennsylvania and portions of central and southern New Jersey and the Delmarva here. And we've got some low ground fog in this area with very poor visibilities. Here's our next weather maker coming in for tomorrow. That will be our showers and thunderstorms, but high pressure is in control right now of our forecast region. And all of this is ground clutter here. These are a few discrete rain showers here. Well north of the warm frontal boundary that lies over the Carolinas this morning, and these are just hanging on and scooting off the seaboard here away from the region. There's no other precipitation occurring in the forecast region, and none is expected during today. Today is going to be an absolutely gorgeous day. Morning surface observations show temperatures generally running in the upper 40s over the interior to the low and mid 50s. Everywhere else, we're already approaching 60 degrees in New York City at this hour, and Newark as well, getting up to 57 this hour at Philadelphia. Most of the visibilities are better than 10 miles. However, across portions of Allentown and Reading, southeastern Pennsylvania, near just west of Philadelphia, interior portions of Maryland here and Virginia, also portions of the Delmarva, including the I-95 corridor down through Delaware. This morning we have some ground fog and some low fog and visibility. So it's not ground fog, but we have visibilities generally running a half of a mile to 3 miles, and low ceilings and visibilities about 100 to 200, 500 feet. This will all begin to burn off during the next couple of hours. We have a light wind flow in place and very warm conditions on the way for today. These are a few rain showers exiting the southern New Jersey coastline and off Delaware this morning. And this back here is all ground clutter. This is absolutely no precipitation, but there is some ground fog here under these dry, cool, dry conditions and also clear conditions across Pennsylvania this hour. Tons and tons of people still suffering with allergies today and tomorrow. It's going to be on the high side. Oak, birch, and maple are the top allergens. And the allergy forecast for tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday will continue to be on the high side. We have no watches, warnings, or advisories in effect, and no airport delays either, but we do have a considerable amount of fog across southeastern Pennsylvania and interior southwestern and southern New Jersey and the Delmarva this morning. On the aviational weather deck today, we're expecting that fog to begin burning off after sunrise or shortly thereafter, which is occurring now. And it will continue to dissipate through the morning hours. Most locations should vary back to VFR after around 10 or 11 a.m. this morning. And once VFR conditions return, expect them to continue through at least tomorrow morning. Then low clouds and possibly some light fog move into the region from the south as the warm front lifts back through the region. And that will be by tomorrow morning. A few showers may move into the region from the west. Either one or of these factors could lead to MFR or MVFR and localized IFR conditions developing again before tomorrow morning's rush hour. Friday, showers and thunderstorms possible with a cold frontal passage, MVFR and IFR ceilings and visibilities likely. Gust west to northwest winds behind the front at 15 to 20 knots. Friday night we return to VFR. Saturday another cold front with additional showers and thunderstorms could lower ceilings and visibilities again back to MVFR and IFR. Gusty southwest winds ahead of the front at 20 to 25 knots, becoming west-northwest behind the cold front. Saturday night VFR expected. Sunday generally VFR. Scattered showers possible during the day around the region, but most of that will be to the south of our forecast zones. Gusty west to northwest winds at 25 to 30 knots. It's going to be blustery out there on Sunday on the tarmac. Sunday night VFR expected, and the winds diminish. And on Monday VFR gusty west wind, northwest actually, at 25 to 30 knots. Over interior New Jersey this morning at Newark, it's good. 58 degrees, dew point 49, humidity 72%. The wind is out of the northeast. It's very light at 8. Few clouds at 25,000. Expect mostly few clouds at 25,000 throughout most of today, and then lowering ceilings during tonight. Some light rain showers possible by early tomorrow morning. Right now in Philadelphia, we are in MVFR, and we've got fog with visibilities at 4 miles, and this entire area ranges from a quarter of a mile to about 2 miles or so. And right now, Philly is in 4 miles this morning as of this observation. Temperature 57, dew point 54, humidity 89%. Clouds a few at 6,000, scattered 11,000, broken at 20,000. Again, the story today, the fog lifting, VFR conditions in place, and then rain showers and thunderstorms developing and moving into the region by tomorrow. National forecasted charts through Saturday will begin today with the cold front and low pressure over the Great Lakes down through the southern Mississippi and Arkansas area down through Texas here. And this is going to be moving through the region on Friday. First, the warm front comes through with additional lifting and light rain showers across the region. Then showers and thunderstorms are possible on Friday afternoon and Friday evening as the cold front exits. And then here comes the next cold front on its heels for Saturday afternoon and evening. This area here from central and southern Pennsylvania down to the Delmarva may have the chance for seeing some isolated clusters of showers and thunderstorms that could produce some strong gusty winds, small hail, and vivid lightning and very, very heavy downpours, and we'll be monitoring this area as well. Storm Prediction Center has placed our entire forecast region for Friday afternoon and evening in a marginal area of severe thunderstorms. And this area will extend into a higher category on Saturday afternoon and evening across all of southeastern New York, just west of New York City, possibly into the city, all of New Jersey except the immediate coastline, back into eastern Pennsylvania and the I-95 Delmarva corridor. These could be some heavy, juicy, discrete cells on Saturday afternoon. We'll get into that in just a moment. We'll start out with the high-resolution rapid refresh model. And most of this is just high pressure and warm, dry conditions across the forecast region for today. And as we head into tonight and early tomorrow morning, these showers and thunderstorms will increase with an onshore southerly flow ahead of the warm front. And by the time we move into the NAM model, we can see the showers and thunderstorms approaching the region. They'll be light during the morning hours and scattered about the region. They'll become more numerous and more widespread across the region as we head into Friday morning into the afternoon. Some of these showers and thunderstorms will be briefly capable of very brief heavy downpours, some gusty winds, strong lightning or vivid lightning, and some small hail. The biggest concern is that these showers and thunderstorms will become much more evident on Saturday afternoon. Dialing it back to Friday, as the showers and thunderstorms move off, we could have some very intense cells here across the Delmarva. Most importantly is the next batch of showers and thunderstorms with this cold front and upper low, or surface low here, entering the St. Lawrence River Valley here. This will be a line of showers and discrete cells here, which could produce locally heavy downpours, some vivid lightning, and of course very heavy downpours and small hail, as well as the atmosphere is much more unstable with a much more cooler pool coming in just behind this band of showers and thunderstorms on Saturday afternoon and evening as it makes its way into the New Jersey, New York City, Philadelphia metropolitan area. Once again, these showers and thunderstorms do mean business on Saturday afternoon and evening, probably clearing the New Jersey coastline after 8 or 9 o'clock in the evening, and that's when everything begins to die down. The low pressure area moves into the St. Lawrence River Valley. Cyclonic flow aloft, cool pool aloft, drier conditions in store for Sunday, but breezy conditions too with these isobars so tightly packed. A strong high pressure developing across the central plains, and this area of low pressure moving into southeastern Canada here means a tight pressure gradient. So much cooler weather, drier conditions, and very breezy conditions on Sunday afternoon, and everything will begin to warm up as we head back into the early part of next week. Next chance of precipitation really comes probably during the day on Wednesday as the next weather maker moves in with a warm frontal boundary developing across the region, spreading a light swath of light rains across the region on Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning, and then another disturbance moving up on Wednesday night and Thursday could mean some more widespread showers and even locally heavy downpours across the region once again. Short sleeve shirts and shorts are welcome today as temperatures get well into the mid and upper 70s across the interior, cooler right along the immediate coast with the onshore flow, and again that's going to be prevalent across the Jersey coast and the Long Island South Shore and North Shore as well. As we get into Friday, temperatures again running in the upper 60s to low and mid 70s over the interior and upper 60s across the coastal plain. As we head into Saturday, temperatures cool off just a little bit, but still warm preceding that cold front. Notice these temperatures back here dropping into the upper 50s while we're having temperatures here in the upper 60s and low and mid 70s. So there's going to definitely be a battle here, and some of these showers and thunderstorms could be quite potent on Saturday afternoon. And by Sunday, everything turns around and we're below normal in temperature again. Temperature is struggling to get out of the 50s to around 60 with a brisk west to northwest wind. Temperatures on Monday moderate just slightly over the interior back into the upper 50s and low and mid 60s. And by Tuesday, temperatures warm nicely under a southwest flow ahead of the next system. Temperatures again getting between 60 and 67 degrees. And by the time we get into Wednesday again, the temperatures will be cooler right along the immediate coast, the north shore, south shore of Long Island with an onshore flow. Temperatures over the interior in the mid to the upper 60s. So by all means, get out there today and enjoy this fine day because showers and thunderstorms return tomorrow. And again, more strong showers and thunderstorms on Saturday afternoon and evening. Blustery, dry, breezy, and cool conditions on tap for Sunday and Monday of next week. For everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. You have a fantastic Thursday. We'll be back bright and early with you on Friday morning.